Hello fourth semester students. In the last video we have discussed about the isomerisms, types of the isomerisms, stereoisomerisms, optical activity and the racemic mixture. Today we will discuss about the chirality, enantiomers and diastereomers. So first of all we will discuss about the chirality. Chirality means chir, C-H-I-R. Chirality means chir. Chir means hand-like structure or chir means mirror image non-superimposable. Mirror image non-superimposable. Non-superimposable means don't overlap. We can take the example of our hands. These are our hands. When these hands are mirror image of each other, when one hand is placed to the another hand, they do not cover the full hand, they do not overlap, so they are non-superimposable. When these are covered both hands, these are called superimposable mirror image. So these are the non-superimposable and these are the superimposable. So these are the example by the hand of the chirality. So what are the chiral compounds? Chiral compounds are defined as which are mirror image of each other and they form non-superimposable. By the example of some letters we can easily understand. First letter we example A. A is the mirror image of this one, is the mirror image of the A. When A is placed on this A, they will overlap. ये A will cover the overlap. So these compounds are called as achiral. For example of the B, this one is the mirror image of the, this one is the mirror image of B. When B is placed on this B, they don't overlap. So these compounds are chiral. We can here, this one is the B. When the mirror image is the B, when B is placed on this B, they do not cover this B. So these are don't overlap. So these are called non-superimposable. ऐसे ही this one is C. C is the mirror image of C is this one. When C is placed on this C, then they don't overlap. So this compound is called chiral. We can see this example of W. W mirror image of the W. When W is placed on these mirror image of W, then they overlap. So these compound are called as achiral. So these are the some examples to understand the chirality. For example, we can take a digit when one mirror image, this one, but when one is placed on this one, they don't overlap. So this is the chiral compound, or this is the chirality. Next one is the, what is the chiral compounds? Compounds means some mixture. So what is the chiral compounds? Chiral compound are those compounds which have at least one asymmetric carbon atom. Chiral compounds are those compounds which have at least one asymmetric carbon atom. What is the asymmetric carbon atom? Asymmetric carbon atom is that carbon atom where four different groups or atoms are attached with the single bond, that is called asymmetric carbon atom. We can take the example of this one. There is a CHO and this OH, and there is H, there is OH, there is H, and CH2 OH. We can discuss about this carbon. This carbon has attached with the double bond O. So we have discussed that the single bond asymmetric carbon atom is that carbon atom which four different groups of atoms are attached with this single bond. There is a double bond. So this is non-chiral carbon. We can take example of this carbon. This carbon has single bond attached with this group, and right hand side OH group, left hand side H, and below this one group. So different groups or atoms are attached with the single bond of the carbon. So this carbon is the chiral carbon. Next is the C. This carbon, at the right hand side OH group attached, at the left hand side H group attached, above this group attached, and below CH2OH attached. Four different groups are attached with the single bond. So this is the chiral carbon or asymmetric carbon. This carbon, we can discuss about this carbon CH2OH. When CH2OH is elaborate, so there is H, there is OH, and above is the, so same hydrogen, same atom attached with the single bond. So we can say that these are not the asymmetric, because there are no different atoms are attached. So it is not a asymmetric carbon atom. This carbon is non-chiral atom. So what is the chiral compound? Chiral compound are those compound which have at least one asymmetric carbon, In this example, two asymmetric carbon is present. So this compound is called as chiral compound. Chiral compound वो है जिसमें एटलीस्ट एक एसिमेट्रिक कार्बन एटम हो, पर हमारे एग्जाम्पल में कितने हैं? दो. तो ये क्या कहलाएगा? chiral compound. We take the another example. That one is there is the CH2OH, COHH, CHOH, COHH, CHOH, COHH, CH2OH. This is the CH2OH. This is the no asymmetric. This is the non-chiral carbon. Because H, elaborate it, CHH, same atom is attached, so it is the non-chiral carbon. This carbon is the chiral because OH is attached on the right hand side, H on the left hand side, CH2OH above the carbon, and below the carbon this one group. So four different group attached with single bond of the carbon. So it is the chiral. This one is also chiral. right hand side H, left hand side OH, above the carbon this one group, below the carbon this one group. So 4 different attached. So this is also a chiral. Now we'll discuss this one. This one is, we can see that this is the carbon. At the above and below this carbon, same group is attached. So this is the non-chiral. At right hand side OH, at left hand side H, above and below this carbon, same group it is attached. So this is the non-chiral. At this carbon H, right hand side OH, left hand side above this carbon different group, below this carbon different group. So different group is attached with this single bond. So this is the achiral. And this one is the above the plane different group attached, right hand side OH, left hand side H, below CH2OH. So different group are attached with the single bond. So this is the achiral. So there are the 4 asymmetric carbon atom present. So this compound is called as the chiral compound. Now we will discuss about the enantiomers and the diastereomers. We can take the example compound 1 and compound 2. Compound 1 and compound 2. Compound 1 is the mirror image than the 2. Those optical compound which should be mirror image and non-superimposable. Non-superimposable, that is called enantiomers. And one compound is the not mirror image of the second compound, that is called the diastereomers. Enantiomer is the mirror image of each other and diastereomers is the non-mirror image of each other. By the example we can easily understand. These are the 4 examples. We can see that there are 4 examples. We will discuss about the compound 1 and compound 2. And compound 1 and compound 2, this one and this one. We can see that the CH2OH, here OH, here H, mirror image. Here OH, here OH. This is not mirror image. CHO, CHO. So this is the non-mirror image. So this is called diastereomers. When we take the 1 and 3, CH2OH, OH, H, OH, H. So this is the mirror image of each other. When one compound is placed on the third compound, so they will be the non-superimposable, means don't overlap to each other. So this is called as the enantiomers. We can take the example 1 and 4, 1 and 4, CH2OH, CH2OH, OH, OH, non-mirror image. So OH is here right hand side, OH also a right hand side. So they are non-mirror image. So these are called as diastereomers. When we take the example 2 and 4, 2 and 4, here CH2OH, CH2OH, here H, here OH, here OH, here H. So they are mirror image of each other. When we place the second compound on the fourth compound, they will be don't overlap, so non-superimposable. So these are the enantiomers. When 3 and 4, we can take the 3 and 4, CH2OH, CH2OH, H, OH, H, H. So non-mirror image of each other. So these are called the diastereomers. Thank you, students.